Hey guys, I'm Jam of JamOnline.ph and today meron na naman tayong isa pang hands-on, which is the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So this smartphone is kind of different compared sa mga previous na unbox natin na Cherry Mobile smartphone, because the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play has a digital TV. Yes, meron siyang digital TV, and not only that, it's also powered by Android 5.1 Lollipop. So ano ba meron sa specs nito? Well, that's a 5-inch HD IPS display, 16 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM, dual SIM, 13 megapixel BSI camera, 5 megapixel front camera, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 1.4 GHz octa-core processor, and LTE. I'm not sure what the octa-core processor is, pero I guess it's a MediaTek processor na, I don't know, 64-bit siguro, that's why there's LTE. I don't know, I have no idea yet. Yeah, i-unbox natin and i-hands-on natin si Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So pagbigyan nyo na, kung medyo malabo yung video, I just took it sa Cherry Mobile office and I don't have a decent equipment unlike today. So yun, let's unbox and let's take a closer look on the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play.
Alright guys, so we have here the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So this is the newest smartphone. This is the mga bago ni Cherry Mobile. We have a lot of new smartphones from Cherry Mobile, but this one is different because this one supports not only LTE pero meron din siyang digital TV. So ready na siya when our TV networks, local TV networks ay mag-shift na from analog to digital. So ano nga bang advantages ng meron ng digital TV? Well, digital TV mas malinaw, mas maganda, and unlike analog, mas talaga yung clarity ng signal. Mas nakakakuha ka ng signal compared to analog, as long as may digital signal sa area nyo. And thankfully si ABS-CBN and GMA, even TV5, lahat sila nag-shift na to digital. And then let's talk about the specs ng Flare S Play. So the Flare S Play has a 5-inch HD IPS display, 16 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM, dual SIM, one is standard and the other one is micro. There is a 13 megapixel BSI camera, which is the rear camera, and then there's a front 5 megapixel camera. The Wi-Fi, meron siyang, of course, meron siyang Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0, and meron siyang 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. My guess is this one is MT6753 or 6752. I guess nandun lang sa dalawang yon, and of course meron siya LTE. Kaya ako nahulaan na ganon is because the older 6592 doesn't support LTE, and yung 64-bit yun yung support na LTE, or if not, it probably would be a 6595 or a 6592 with an LTE model. So let's open this one. So fresh na fresh. Alright, so let's remove the plastic. Alright, so this one is already available, and makakuha na kayo sa mga Cherry Mobile stores if you want. Alright, so unbox natin. Alright, so this is the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. It's a simple smartphone. Maganda naman yung design niya. Very common yung design niya. Again, we have the specifications sa likod, but we have to open this one again, of course. Alright, so yan. So bagong-bago, nahirapan pa ako buksan eh. Anyway, so we have here the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. Alright, so nahirapan ako buksan. Sobrang kapit niya. Alright, so mamaya pag-usapan natin yung design niya. So let's remove the plastic. Alright, yan. So dito natin mamaya si Flare S Play with, you know, parang diamond design. Alright, so inside the box, ano pang i-expect natin sa loob ng box ng Flare S Play? So we have here, of course, the manual. May libre tayong screen protector. We also have here the charger. Typical Cherry Mobile charger na nakikita nyo sa mga devices nila. Not really a surprising one. Not really a shocking design. Hindi silang babago ng design. And then we have here the micro USB to USB cable. And this one is, I don't know. Is this a stylus? My guess is it's a stylus or a antenna. Right, so okay, so this is antenna, and okay, so antenna siya, and I probably acts na kinakabit lang dito sa sa Flare S Play, and nakita niyo, I'm not sure kung dito siya lalagay. Alright, no idea, but I guess you have to use this para sa ikabit nyo sa wallet nyo or sa devices nyo, But again, so we have here the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play, Android 5.1 Lollipop, so one latest na siya. It's not Marshmallow, there are only a few devices that are running on Marshmallow. And then we also have a 1.4 GHz octa-core processor, 13 megapixel rear camera, 16 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5-inch HD IPS display, dual SIM, and of course 2,000 mAh of battery. By the way, since we're talking about the battery, proceed na tayo ulit sa unboxing. Right, so we have here yung 2,000 mAh na battery. Right, so buksan natin and ilagay na natin sa Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. It's very thin, meron siyang sticker. So I guess para mapatunayan na original nga siya. Ayan, so also have here yung earphones. Pwede natin gamitin sa smartphone. Then of course, so let's use the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So before that, so open ko muna, lagyan muna natin yung battery. So we'll know kung ano nga bang paano nga ba mag-work to. Alright, so sa loob, you could see meron tayong micro SD card slot and SIM card slot, which is SIM A, yes, and then the other one is here. It's again, ayon sa dito, it's standard, which is the mini SIM and the micro SIM. No nano SIM, which is used on the iPhones and the latest Galaxy smartphones. Yan, so right, so let's turn this on. Really excited to turn this on, and let's remove the plastic ng Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. Alright, so this is Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. Just like the other Flare smartphones, this one's really affordable. One of the affordable na Flare smartphones. So likod, we have yung parang textured back. Actually, hindi lang siya yung parang katulad ng makikita nyo lang. Nafe-feel niya talaga yung parang diamond texture niya. The looks is really good. I mean, reminds me of the Flare SD Power. Pero mas syempre, mas manipis to. This one looks like metal, pero it's not. It's actually plastic. It's made of gold. It looks really good. And then, meron tayong camera dito with dual LED flash. I'm surprised sa dual LED flash nito. We also have the speaker grill here. And yes, mukha siyang maayos. Malinis siya tignan. So, let's skip muna. And so, oops. Alright, so, skip. Skip anyway. Next. Alright, so, let's, muna. Ayusin natin yung initial setup ng smartphone, so because I was the first one na nagbukas nito. Alright, so we have the power button here, the volume button, so right, we have the 5 megapixel camera, the capacitive buttons that doesn't light up, so hindi siya liliwanag kung madilim. And then sa taas, we got the micro USB cable and the 3.5mm audio jack. Alright, so sa ilalim we got here the microphone pinhole. Actually, hindi ko pa rin alam kung saan ilalagay itong antenna for digital. So, my guess is dito? No? Alright, so I have no idea on how this one, but I guess dito talaga siya. So, let's try it out. So, yan. I guess dito, and then this the, so yan. So, I guess kailangan siya isaksak, which is really annoying for me because I might lose this digital antenna. And medyo annoying sa akin na, you know, lagi mong dala-dala and there's no parang paglalagyan, which is may tali siya dito. Hindi ko lang kung saan ko ilalagay. Wala siya nung parang lalagyan ng mga keychain or something dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So maganda tignan yung display niya, and then let's check out kung ano bang mapapala natin dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So again, we have here the analog, the digital TV receiver, and as you could see, it's Android 5.1. So although it's not the latest Android version, pero Android 5.1 is you know, very rare sa mga smartphones these days. I mean, you know, mga bagong releases hindi pa naka-Android 5.1. I'm really surprised na si Flare S Play naka-Android 5.1 na siya. So, yun. If you want, you could see that 100 version yan. So, Lollipop. There's no word if meron tayong Marshmallow update, pero hindi na ako mag-expect. Pero if there's a Marshmallow update, mas surprise ako na meron si Flare S Play. So, ano ba yung pinaka main feature nito? Well, of course, we got a 5-inch HD display. That looks really good. Again, colorful. Napakaganda ng kulay niya. Maliwanag siya. And then, magandang design niya sa likod. Pero, that's not enough eh. So, ano ba yung feature na yun? So, yung feature na to na wala sa iba is digital TV receiver. Again, ang ayoko lang dito, nakahiwalay siya as a keychain. Although, wala tayong pinhold para dun sa kanyang keychain or something. Although sa loob siguro. So, double check natin kung meron tayo paglalagyan. Kasi, it's very annoying na pwedeng mong mawala yung antenna. Yeah, so double checking. Wala tayong paglalagyan talaga nung digital TV receiver. Alright, so saksakulin natin yung digital TV receiver. So ganito lang siya. Although pag siya, pwede yung para siyang mukha siyang stylus na nakaganto lang siya. And then if you want, I'm not sure if this work. Okay, so hindi siya pwede stylus. So talagang antenna lang talaga siya. So, ikot nyo lang siya, pakita nyo yung item, saksakin nyo siya dito sa 3.5mm audio jack, and then poof, meron ka ng digital TV receiver dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So, meron tayong tinatawag na app na Cherry DTV, which is pre-installed dito, along with some other applications like KakaoTalk, OneDrive, Opera Mini, Skype, but OneDrive can be uninstalled while the others hindi na pwede. So, if you want, pero para sa akin gamitin yung OneDrive eh. It's a really good cloud application. Pwede kayo mag-save ng files and everything. Alright, so buksan natin ang Cherry DTV and let's see. I'm not sure if mag-work to because I'm in a building and I'm not sure if may signal. Yan, so this is the Cherry Mobile DTV app. Alright, so yes. So, wala tayong scan. So, let's see. Mag-wait lang tayo and tingnan natin if may ma-scan tayo. So, taasan natin yung antenna. Kasi baka hindi dahil sa antenna. Okay, so we already got 3 channels found. And FYI, I'm in a building, specifically sa Cherry Mobile. And medyo nasa gitna ako and I'm surprised na nakakuha ko na signal. It's 4 channels found and ngayon ko lang in-extend yung antenna. So, hopefully makakuha pa ako ng signal soon. Alright, so of course, we can't use the smartphone while scanning. But let's talk about the antenna. Well, it's adjustable. So if you want, pwedeng nakatayo, pwedeng nakaganto, pwedeng nakaganyan. Yan. So pwede nyo ikot-ikot depending dun sa gusto nyo. Oh, wow! So I got 12 channels on this one, 16. Alright, so I guess we got... Oh, yeah. So we got 15 channels on the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. Alright, so... yan, so I'm not sure what this channel is. This is PTV. And, although medyo naglalag kasi nga. And so, check pa natin other channels. Right, so, it's very cherry, kulay pula. Right, so, we have PTV. We have TV5, which is on HD. We also have Action TV, Katsup, GMA News TV, GMA 1 Seg, which is yung SD, the GMA. Pero, we also have UNTV, ABS-CBN, which is HD. This one's HD2, Sports and Action. Ito yung interesting because this list of channels na to, ito yung available sa ABS-CBN TV Plus. Mayroon siya indicator whether kailangan nyo bumili, may bayad ba siya or what, kasi may dollar sign, no? So yes, it's only available sa TV Plus and not sa mga digital TV receivers like this one. So let's try out GMA News TV na in HD. Alright, so please wait. Loading channel. Wow, so okay. I didn't expect na ganito kalinaw. It's really HD and super linaw niya. Wow, it's even better than the Pixies that I've reviewed before. Ang ganda nung niya. Ewan ko, parang ibang klase. Super linaw niya. Talagang HD video yung nasasagap natin dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. And even isa na natin. So, yan. So, I'm not sure kung paano digital TV na reception sa inyo. But again, I'm in Manila, the heart of Manila. And I'm in a building, specifically sa gitna ng isang building pero nasa taas, 8th floor. And maganda yung nakukuha na signal dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. Alright, so meron pa tayo other features like recording. So, let's try this out. So, magre-record tayo. Maganda na sound. Alright, so recording. So, if nakita nyo si Jam Online, si Mr. Jam Manchetta, pwede nyo siyang i-record. Lumabas siya sa TV, record kasi crush nyo siya or idol nyo siya. And then, wala na siya. So, stop. So, let's see. So, naka-save siya. So, mamaya, tingnan natin. And then, pwede natin ibahin yung scale niya. The Cherry DTV app is flexible, depending sa gusto nyo. So, it's HD, pero pang 4x3. Ayan, so makikita nyo naman 4x3. Which is, dun talaga sa GMA, kasi 4x3 madalas pa tayo. And then, I don't know what this is, but this is, searching channels. Right, so this one is channel guide, although it's not yet available, channel guide. And then, let's see. Alright, so we got also have split timer just like a normal TV age. Alright, so if gusto i-set pero probably won't do that. Battery limit, if hindi nyo alam na ubos pala yung battery nyo pero i-warn kayo ng phone na hey, wala na battery, tigil na tayo. Also language, which is, I doubt na meron tayong subtitles dito sa Pilipinas. But we also have here, I guess, the Play Store. No, the recorded files. Alright, so let's play the recorded files kanina. So, let's use the video player included. Ayan, so, maganda yung recording niya. And, although it's, yes, sobrang linaw niya. Kung ano yung nakita nyo kanina, ganyan yung pagka-record niya. It's a 4-second video and we got a 1 MB na size na file. It's really good. This is probably one of the best DTV app na nagamit ko sa isang smartphone. The previous one, the Shano TV app, which is used on Pixies, isn't as flexible and as good as this one. So, alright, so yeah, exit ko na. So, there's nothing much to see aside from that. Also, of course, if gusto nyo mag-update, there's a wireless update. When it comes to smoothness, okay lang. Not so smooth, pero okay na din. I mean, hindi siya yung super smooth like Samsung Galaxy Smooth, but it's okay. Hindi yung papansin ng mga normal consumers. The launcher is it's not Nexus-like pero smooth na siya and maganda naman. So maliwanag, mabilis, and okay naman siya gamitin. And so verdict, for now, I really like the design ni Cherry Mobile Flare S Play despite na meron tayong plastic materials all over it. So walang metal or anything special. There's no lights dito sa capacitive buttons, which is sa iba na medyo turn off, pero sa akin hindi naman. But we got a very bright na display, which is a 5-inch HD, and sobrang ganda nung DTV niya. It's probably one of the best DTV app na nagamit ko sa isang smartphone. So yeah, I guess that's it sa unboxing and hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. Although medyo annoying nga pala to, the antenna na kailangan tanggalin because you can use the DTV without the antenna. So as you could see, you cannot watch any channels without this one because you really need this one, and you should not lose this one. This is really important. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. So once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching the unboxing and hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play.